Hey girl, listen. The particle accelerator is about to go on, see?
Oh,
I will
they
see.
say it can change the world.
Yeah, it's a future basically.
Oh, how much time did it take for Star Labs or should I say Dr. Wells to make it?
I think 20 to 40 years. It's really hard to make it. See?
Okay.
It's about to turn on.
This will work. It's going to turn on in like half an hour.
Yep. Let's just look. Wait. It just has some things.
Johnny, what do you
Yeah.
heard that explosion?
Yeah.
Is that the particle accelerator?
No way, no way, no way! Wait! Oh god! No way!
Okay, we just got a report that the Star Labs particle accelerator, which was told to change the future, has finally gone. It exploded. Now we don't know what happened to Dr. Wells, but we hope that we just got news. Some people got affected by the particle accelerator, but then Dr. Wells lost his legs. Cut.
Damn it.
We are one of the people who are affected by the particle accelerator. That lightning came inside us and put the dark matter in it. Did it stop the effects?
I'm crazy. I got crazy!
You're fast, not crazy. You know what? That news person in the news TV show was saying something about the Scarlet Speedster.
Yes.
He saves people. We are as fast as him.
Yeah, well.
We might need a new name before the Scarlet Speedster.
I know. One crazy boy and one good boy.
This is no time for jokes. What a sting.
Or because of
Sting
that.
and the lightning.
You know what? All because of that thingy that last, I don't remember.
Particle accelerator.
Yeah. I think I got crazy and I got super speed, right?
So, so your powers are super speed and craziness.
What's my name again? Stick?
Your superhero name is Sting.
Sting. Yes, I'm Sting. Oh, someone's in my private.
You have to get new catchphrases.
Oh, no.
Your real name is Johnny. Johnny.
Yes, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Right? Okay.
Our band name will be
Band name.
The Fast and the Craziness.
No.
You say you're crazy, so why can't it be Fast and the Craziness?
No. Stupid and crazy. Right? I'm not saying to you. Me and myself. That's it.
And I.
Oh, yeah. Okay, it's fine. Fast and craziness. Happy?
No,
It's just like Fast and Furious. So cool that that
what
movie was.
we need to beat the Scarlet Speedster.
I think he's
No, I want to name him the
Streak!
No, there's some girl Irish. She already named him Streak.
Oh yes, the stupid star.
First of all, it's a speedster.
Also the speedster. Zoom.
Zoo, and we know. Or
Slot.
Jinx,
I-
you'll be a soda.
Okay. Flash. I had the craziest thing and a stupid lightning.
Okay, lightning, flat. Oh, what am I saying? You better meet the Scarlet Speedster.
Okay. Come on. La 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 la.
You can run.
But you can't hide. Before we go out, let's
Test our speed?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So first you go, okay? Ready? Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, good. When I say go, you say go. Go.
Where is the?
Go. Go, where you go, go. No. I know. Yes. We both learned in a chemistry class that he went so fast that he ripped through the time barrier and now he teleported. I have to also run fast to get him back.
Oh, they are here. I don't know where. The. Who are you?
I am Supergirl.
Okay. If you are superhuman, so show what you got, huh?